Good evening, students. It is the first chapter of your syllabus, that is the chemical reaction and equation. What is the chemical reaction? Chemical reaction, a chemical change occurs. We can say that a chemical reaction has been taking place. It means that any chemical change, it is called as the chemical reaction. For example, food get digested in our body. As we know that we take in food for the energy, and it is converted into the simplest form of the food, like that carbohydrate, means that starch in the form of glucose, fructose, galactose, protein in the form of amino acid, etc. Rusting of iron, आप जानते हैं जंग लगना. Grapes is fermented grapes is form ethyl alcohol. Milk is left at the room temperature during the summers. All we know that after some time milk is converted into the curd. Next point, any of the following observation help us to determine the chemical reaction has been take place. It means that any one of them can be occurs. It represents that the chemical reaction will be occurs. First is a change in the state. State means that, as we know that in the lower class, state of matter is solid, liquid and gas. Along with यहाँ एक extra state और है, it is called as the aqueous. Aqueous means that water contain. It means that if any substance have the lots of water, its state is called as aqueous state. Specific for the water or any other liquid is present, that it is called as the liquid state. Next is the change in color. As we know that so many chemical reaction in which the color will be changed. Evolution of gas. And third is change in the temperature. Change in the temperature means cooling or heating. Now, what is the chemical equation? What is the chemical equation? It is the first article of our chapter, that is the chemical equation. A chemical equation can be expressed symbolically by using chemical equation. Means that अगर कोई भी chemical equation हो रही है तो हम उसको represent करते हैं in the form of chemical equation. For example, you see here. For example, magnesium is burnt into the air. Air, it means that in air, as we know that the maximum amount having nitrogen gas, that is nearly 78% and nearly 21% of the oxygen. Nitrogen is maximally inert due to the presence of the triple bond, so that we take second part, that is the oxygen, to form magnesium oxide can be represented here. If you see the reaction, that is the magnesium combined, it means that addition. Magnesium is added with the oxygen, it is the arrow, it is formed magnesium oxide. It is the arrow. In front of the arrow, it represented the product, and it is the back part of the arrow, it is called as the reactant. Reactant is converted into the product, and this is the direction of the reaction which goes to the forward. It means that magnesium plus oxygen, it form magnesium oxide. If you realize that the last topic or last video of this, it is given as the magnesium oxide. If we do not know the formula of the magnesium oxide, then we cannot represent it in the form of, that is, magnesium. Oxygen, actually we discuss oxygen in the periodic table form, that is the only symbol is O. It is called as the atoms. I think you discuss in the class 9th. It is the molecular form, that is the O2, magnesium plus O2, they are combined, they form MgO. You can form the formula of magnesium oxide. Correct? It is called as skeletal chemical equation. What is the meaning of skeletal chemical equation? It means that it is an unbalanced equation. How can we identify it is unbalanced? Here reactant side में magnesium 1 है, product side में 1 है. बट अगर आप देखें तो ऑक्सीजन के कितने एटम है बेटा? एटम, मॉलिक्यूल नहीं. मॉलिक्यूल तो ये कंप्लीट है. मॉलिक्यूल क्या है? ये ऑक्सीजन 1 ही है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसके आगे अगर कुछ नहीं लिखा है तो इसकी स्टाइकोमेट्री यानी इसके आगे की लिखी हुई चीज़ क्या होगी? वन ही होगी। लेकिन अगर हम एटम की बात करते हैं तो एटम कितना है, टू। अगर हम इधर देखते हैं तो बेटा कितना है, नथिंग इज गिवन, इट मीन्स इट इज़ द वन। तो इधर ऑक्सीजन है टू, इधर कितना है वन, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अनबैलेंस। बैलेंस में दोनों तरफ के एलिमेंट क्या होंगे बेटा, सेम होंगे, इन सेम इन नंबर, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज स्केलेटल केमिकल इक्वेशन। Okay, this page is clear. Now we move on the next page, and it is the balanced chemical equation. This part is very important in our exam point of view. The balancing of the equation means that at least one question is present in our examination on the basis of actually balanced chemical equation. So you can see here concentrately, if you see, it is the according to the law of conservation of mass, means that mass will be constant. It's represented that the total number of atoms of each elements remains the same before and after the chemical reaction, as I explained in the previous page. That is, if we see the meaning of this, if the number of element of the reactant and the products are same, then it is called as balanced. But if they are not equal in either side of the arrow, then it is called as unbalanced chemical equation or skeletal chemical equation. Correct? Okay, let's see example first. It is very simple. It is the zinc प्लस ऐड किया, बोथ आर द रिएक्टेंट, जिंक प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड। द फार्मूला, द केमिकल फार्मूला सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज H2SO4. जिंक प्लस H2SO4, इट कैन फॉर्म ZnSO4 प्लस H2. इफ यू सी हियर, this H2 is released from the here and Zn is attached from the SO4, so that it forms ZnSO4, and this H2 is released from here, and it is the complete the chemical reaction. It is balanced or unbalanced, we can check. How? See, Zn, the number of atom is 1, here Zn is 1. Okay, H2 स्टाइकोमीटर में बेटा कितना है, नथिंग इज गिवन, दैट इज द 1. here nothing is given, is the 1, H2. Okay, 1 is the SO4. SO4 is completely consider करते हैं, SO4 is 1, here SO4 is also 1. So it is the first example which is balanced. Now the number, why it is balanced, it is also represent that the number of atom of each element are same on both side of the arrow, that is equation first. This is balanced. Now we see the second example, that is Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. It is the oxide of iron. Second equation, it is not balanced because if you see here, the Fe element, not atom, Fe element is 1, here Fe is, इस पर mention कितना है 3, that's why the total Fe is 3, so that it is not balanced. In the same way, the how much oxygen is present here, that is the 4, but here the oxygen is only 1, so that it is unbalanced reaction, or it is also called as skeletal chemical reaction. Okay, what is the step of the balancing? Step first, make boxes. You see, these all are covered in a box, and remember that in a balanced or unbalanced chemical reaction, we cannot change in the formula. That is, Fe remains as it is, H2O remains as it is, Fe3O4 भी ऐसे ही रहेगा. We cannot convert it in the manner of like that Fe4O3. It's mean that it is remains as it is. We cannot change the number as well as the chemical composition plus H2O. Okay, if we see the, it is the next step, that is the step second, make list of the number of atoms of the different elements in the skeletal chemical equation. See here, if you see the chemical equation, the skeletal chemical equation, we have the three elements, that is the Fe, hydrogen and oxygen. So the elements, that is Fe, oxygen and hydrogen. Fe, nothing is given, that is the 1. Oxygen, nothing is given at the base, it is also the 1. Hydrogen, 2 is present in the at the base, so that it is 2. if you see here in the product side Fe base पर कितना है 3, that's why they are 3. Oxygen base पर कितना है 4, that's why the 4. Hydrogen will be H2, it is the 2. See, first we balance the Fe. The reactant side it is 1, product side it is 3. It's mean that if we multiplied by the 3 in Fe in reactant side, then the number of reactant and product are same. Listen again, if we multiplied 3 in the react side, then the number of element, that is the Fe in reactant and product will be same, 3. So that we multiplied by 3 in the reactant side, that is a 3 Fe, and the whole reaction will be the same. We write here we use the red pen which represent the change of the chemical reaction. If you see, there is no present of the 3 here. We multiplied by the 3 react side. Why we multiplied 3? Because if we multiplied the reactant side, the number of element will be same. Okay, so Fe will be balanced. Now we balance the oxygen. Second, we see here, if there is the 4 product reactant 1, if we multiplied in reactant side of oxygen by the 4, then both side will be same. So that we multiplied by 4 of H2. यहाँ simply और separately oxygen नहीं है, that's why we multiplied in the complete element, that is the 4. So oxygen becomes 4. Here oxygen is also 4. So Fe is balanced, oxygen is balanced. Now if we see here the number of hydrogen, 4 into 2. 4 into 2, that is the 8. Here it is the only 2. So that we multiplied the 4 at the product side. If we see the number of H2 is 4. Here H2 is 4, oxygen is 4 and oxygen 4. जो भी यहाँ मेंशन होता है 4 का मल्टीप्लाइड H में भी होगा और ऑक्सीजन में भी होगा. ओके, आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर द बैलेंसिंग. The third, अब now this the last reaction. We can check the number of element in the reactant side as well as the product side are same. Okay, we check. Fe will be 3, oxygen will be 4, oxygen will be 4, H2 will be 4, and here H2 will be 4. So it represented at balance on the basis of the stoichiometry. These are number represented just before to the brackets. These are called as stoichiometry. Okay, so it is the complete balance reaction on the basis of stoichiometry. It is represented that the step 3, check the number of elements of number of atoms of elements are same, either both before the arrow or after the arrow. It is represented at the balance equation. And the last part of this is that we also must represent the physical state. What is the meaning of physical state? Last step is expresses their physical state. Physical state is solid के लिए small s, liquid के लिए small l, gas के लिए small g, and aqueous. Aqueous means if water is present in, then we represented aqueous at AQ at the base. Okay, this chemical reaction completely box will be removed, and this is represent Fe is the S, H2 in the form of gas, Fe3O4 solid, and hydrogen in the form of gas. Here one thing is misses, that the Fe will be 3 and here Fe will be 3. It is misses. Okay, so I think you understand that it is the first part or first video of your first chapter, that is the chemical reaction and the equation. You see again, and if you understand properly, then I give some problems after this video. Okay, thank you.